Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're talking about the VVDI and the new style remotes. So these remotes, they're a little bit different from what you're used to seeing, where they don't actually have the little port where you plug in the cable. So they're actually, you generate the remote via Bluetooth. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to do the new style Honda remote head key, so like the 2013 and up Honda remote head key. So if you go back to Asia, go to Honda, go to Civic, go to the MLB. Alright, let's leave it on this screen. So just so we're clear what we're doing the remote head key, the new style. There's no plug, so you're going to put the battery in the remote and then you're going to generate. And now it's actually writing the information via Bluetooth to the remote. Now these Hondas are a little different, that you don't program the remote on board. You're going to program the chips. You can see. Oh, what did it say? Program failed. Oh, I moved it. That's why. Let's try it again. Why did it fail? We just did this one a second ago and it worked. So let's see what happened. Writing data. I think you have to be real still. You don't want to be moving the chip too much. Okay, success. So now this remote is your MLB, your Honda remote head key, and it's different. You actually do it with the battery in. Most of the time we were taking the battery out and generating the remote. So now you're doing it with that. Now I wonder, that would be the MLB ending in 1T. I wonder if it does the 1TA. Frank, is that one in there? Now, does that also work for the Chrysler?
Yeah.
Remote head key like the OHDs?
Yeah. You can even do this. Check.
So we'll end the video there. That's for the Honda remote head keys, the new style.